Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I am headed to Georgia in the morning, so I thought that I would do a pack with me vlog for today's video. So, in case you've missed it, Mallory, one of my best friends, she is getting married in February. I'm one of her bridesmaids, and her wedding shower is tomorrow in Dahlonega. And that is where she's from. And then on Monday, I'm doing a trial run of her wedding makeup for her bridal portraits. So she's doing bridal portraits at the venue. So I'm very excited about that. I get to see her dress. I get to see the venue. We get to celebrate her and I get to see her. So I am very excited. And then after the shower, we are going to go to downtown Dahlonega and see all the Christmas lights and everything. So I cannot wait to take y'all along with me. I finally have something exciting to show y'all for Vlogmas. And I've never been, so I love that we get to experience it together. And then after her pictures, I am gonna go to Helen, Georgia and kind of explore around there because I've never been there either. And I've always heard that it's super cute. And then I'm hoping I can get there before it's dark, and then that way I can kind of see it before. And then I'm sure that they have Christmas lights, so then I can see it with all the Christmas lights too. So either way, I'm going to take y'all along with me. But let's get to packing because I about looked at my watch and I already took it off because I don't know if y'all can tell, but I just got out of the shower and it is 1 o'clock. Where's my phone? It is 1:20, so I am going to attempt to put it all in my Cabas Alto Louis Vuitton Pre-Loved tote. This is my all-time favorite tote. I use it all the time. If I take my suitcase anywhere, I will usually take this and put shoes in it. And then when I would do photo shoots, either with Wild Eclipse or if I just went somewhere and took pictures myself, I would use this as my photo shoot bag. So I would put my different bras, my sticky boobs, any shoes, accessories, because it is a good sized tote. And there are 3 sizes of this one. I don't think that Louis makes this anymore. That's why I had to get it pre-loved. But this is the biggest size. And then I'm pretty sure the piano and the mezzo. Piano is the smallest. And then both of those I'm pretty sure zip. But I like how this one is just open. And then it does have a little pocket here, and then it has a zipper pocket on this side. So I actually have a video comparing this, or talking about it and then comparing it to a Neverfull, because it's always so hard to tell how big they are even if somebody wears it, because everybody's body type is different. So I compare it to a Neverfull MM, that way you can kind of see. But this is not a Louis video, it's a packing video. I don't know what I'm wearing. Her colors for the shower are kind of sage green, white. I think she said another color, but I thought about going with sage green, and I think I need to try it on. But I think I'm going to do this romper for the shower because it has, with the floral print, it has a lot of green. So I feel like this is perfect. And then with it being long sleeve, so the shower is inside. And I don't even know, let's see what the weather is going to be like. She said muggy, but she didn't say what the temperature was gonna be. So let's just see. It's gonna be in the 40s. So that is cold, but it is gonna be inside. So, oh, you know what? I just remembered that the shower may be inside, but afterwards we're going downtown Dahlonega, gonna be outside. So I might need to bring a change of clothes, or maybe just bring a jacket to put on. I don't know. And then the other options I had was this really pretty dress that I got from Nordstrom. I got it during the Nordstrom sale. I wanted to say like 3 years ago, but look at the back of it. I've never worn it, but I thought this would be pretty because it kind of has like all the greenery and it's kind of showery. And then this was the other option, another floral, but with a lot of green. And then there are 2 outfits that I'm gonna take. If y'all watched my Copper Petal Black Friday haul, I wanted to take this set and take my white Converse to wear one day. And I was thinking about wearing this on Monday, but I might wear this tomorrow night when we go look around Dahlonega, since it's pants, and then I would have the closed-toed shoes and then a long sleeve, and then wear my other outfit on Monday. So my other outfit, so how cute is this little leopard skirt? It is a stretchy waist and it's like a silky satiny material. And then I just had this crop sweater. So I might take a couple other outfits just so I have some options, even though I'm only staying for one night. I can't remember if I said or not, but the shower's in Dahlonega, and then the venue is either also in Dahlonega or close to it. So I did get a hotel room. That way I didn't have to drive 3 hours to the shower, 3 hours back home, 3 hours back the next day. So that way I was there, even though it's one night. I don't know, I just always like to have options, because I don't know about y'all, but I dress according to my mood. And I don't know what kind of mood I'm gonna be in. But I don't know. I'm going to try this romper on and figure out what shoes, and then try and decide what else I might want to take. I may take a pair of jeans. That way I just have some jeans in case I'm just feeling casual. So let's actually for real pack. Okay, so I got a little aggravated trying to find something to wear last night, so I ended up finishing a video and then just going to bed, and I still think it was like 3:30, 3:40 before I finally went to bed / fell asleep. So I am tired, but change of plans on packing. I am gonna have to switch over to my suitcase for 2 reasons. Number 1, the tote is already full because I do have a couple of different outfits, and then I still need to fit my like shower bag, toiletry bag, my makeup bag. So plus it's raining, and let me show y'all. So first of all, if y'all can see, it's already full. I'm gonna have to figure something out with my laptop and stuff. So see these straps and then the bottom, so if it gets wet from rain or anything like that, they get a little water spot. I don't know, I still might take this and put my, I don't know, but I wanted to show y'all just a couple things really quick, and then I need to go because I was aiming to leave 7 minutes ago, but should still be good because that was gonna give me some extra time, but it is what it is. So this is my little like toiletry thing. It's actually from Mary Kay. I used to sell Mary Kay a long time ago, and then this came in my kit, but it is just absolutely perfect because these actually peel off. So if you need to just take one by itself, but I like it because it has this little hanger, so I can just hang it on the door or the hook in the bathroom when I'm traveling. And then I always put my makeup brushes in this hard case. This one is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collab, but I'm pretty sure that Morphe still has this just on its own, but I like it's a hard case, so it protects your brushes, and then it lays down flat. Don't judge how dirty my brushes are, but that way you can see all your brushes and then they don't get smushed or anything like that. And then this is my makeup bag, more Louis, but this one is also pre-loved. I really want to get one of the Nice BB. It's the like little square makeup case, but those are a little pricey. And then I have my curling wand, and then I love Navy hair care products. This is the Pebble Beach texture spray. Absolutely love this to just give my hair a little bit of volume. And then this is the first time trying this argan oil and mineral infused dry shampoo, but I just thought that was like a big bottle and I needed some. Honestly, the smell kind of reminds me of a library. I don't hate it, but so bring in these, and then of course my chargers. And then I am not wearing that romper because it was just a little too tight around the crotch area, and I hate when it like gathers when you walk and where you have to like pull it down, so I didn't want to have to fool with that. So I'm really not even happy with what I did pick out, but I don't really have time to try and figure out anything else. This is another reason I hate winter, because all of my cute stuff is summer and I don't really have any like cute cardigans or sweaters or jackets to put over it to make it cold weather appropriate. But I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. That way I can get packed, get the car loaded, and head to Georgia and start filming another vlog. But don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.